I'm Alice Jones. I wanted, it was funny, I was trying to decide, because I write poetry, and I go, now what poem should I read? And then Lee said, Alice, you have to write a poem for Danny. You can't just read one of your old poems. This has to be for Danny. And I said, you are absolutely right. So last night and this morning, I wrote a couple poems for Danny, and I like to read them right now. Okay. Hey guys in the back. Hey. Hi. Okay. I used to be a professional clown, so it's like, hey guys, look at my magic trick. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and I know all of us miss Danny so much. He was just incredible. Okay. You drove your motorcycle with your guitar strapped on your back, stormed heaven's gates, asked where you could set up to busk, and entertained all the new angels. They placed gold coins in your hat, had a special meal prepared, brought you to your new dream home. You laid down on your new feather bed and noticed you had wings. You looked back to us with tears, saying goodbye to us all. But you had work to do in heaven, joining the choir of angels. Thank you, Danny. And one more. You left us all too soon with your big, goofy smile, funny and tender music, wild clothes, gentleness, kindness, encouraging words. I am so lucky you were my friend. Thank you for good times, advice, joy, hugs, laughter, and memories I will treasure. Danny Ray Barnes, you left us all too soon. I just was thinking when we were driving here and it was raining really hard, I just wanted to do one verse. This is for you, Danny. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.